Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you the wiring of the PTT cable from the Aquário RP-70 radio. If you need to perform maintenance, replace the cable, or simply understand how this PTT works, this video will be very helpful. This model was recently released by Aquário, and its PTT is not just a simple switch. It has a small internal electronic board that is powered directly by the radio. So let's go through it wire by wire. The connector used is an RJ12 type. Looking at the connector from the side of the metal contacts, the wire sequence is as follows. First, the red wire. It carries 3.6 volts to power the internal PTT board. This means that the PTT has active circuitry inside it. If this wire breaks, for example, the PTT may stop working, even if the switch itself is still good. Next, the yellow wire. This is the PTT switch line. It also connects to the internal circuit board. Since we do not have the official schematic, it is not possible to describe the full internal operation. But this wire is directly involved in the transmit switching process. The green wire does not have any connection on the internal board. It is present in the cable, but it is not used. Most likely, it is simply part of the standard cable configuration. The black wire is ground, or GND. It provides the electrical reference for the circuit. The blue wire is the PTT key line. This is the line that actually activates the radio's transmission when the PTT button is pressed. And finally, the white wire. It goes to the microphone element, which is an electret type microphone. There is a 1 nanofarad capacitor connected in parallel with the microphone. This capacitor helps with stability and radio frequency filtering. Now, looking at the internal PTT board, you can see that the connector pins are clearly labeled. This makes troubleshooting and maintenance much easier. So if you ever need to replace the cable, repair the connector, or diagnose a transmit issue, now you know the function of each wire. I hope this video helps you in a future repair. If you found this content useful, please subscribe to the channel and leave a like. See you in the next video.